WorldRemit Review. My honest experience using this money transfer service. Sending money internationally can feel stressful, but WorldRemit promises fast, reliable, and affordable transfers. I used it personally, and here's my honest experience. Most people get this wrong by assuming international transfers are slow and expensive, but the surprising truth is WorldRemit often delivers funds within minutes to over 130 countries. The service supports bank deposits, cash pickups, mobile money, and airtime top-ups, making it flexible for recipients worldwide. Getting started was simple. I created an account, entered the recipient's details, chose my transfer method, and confirmed the payment. The interface is user-friendly, clearly showing fees, exchange rates, and estimated delivery times before you commit. One feature I appreciated was the transparency. Unlike some platforms that hide fees, WorldRemit provides a full breakdown upfront. Additionally, tracking is straightforward. You receive notifications when the money is sent in transit and received. The downside? Fees and exchange rates vary depending on the country and payout method, so it's wise to compare options before sending large amounts. Also, customer support can be slow during peak times, though the app and website are intuitive enough to handle most issues on your own. In conclusion, WorldRemit is a reliable and convenient option for sending money internationally. Its speed, transparency, and multiple payout methods make it ideal for both personal and small business transfers. If you need a simple, fast, and trustworthy way to move money across borders, WorldRemit is worth trying.